Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS 15 barely lasts an hour, it's likely time for a battery replacement. This could be due to the battery degrading over time, which is a natural process as lithium-ion batteries age. If you ignore this issue, you may find yourself tethered to a power socket, limiting your mobility and productivity. The tools you will need for this repair include a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge damage. To begin, start by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel, being cautious not to damage the clips holding it in place. Inside, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component connected with wires. You can identify it by its size and shape. Carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard, gently lift it to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, remove the screws securing the battery itself. These screws are usually Phillips as well, so ensure you use the correct screwdriver. Once the screws are out, lift the battery slightly and pull it away from the laptop. Now, take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. As you work, be mindful of the surrounding components to avoid any accidental damage. Once everything is secured and connected, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it snaps into place. Reinsert the screws into their original positions, tightening them gently but firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly calibrate your battery and avoid leaving your laptop plugged in all the time. It's also advisable to use power-saving settings when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.